Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. When it comes to acquiring new pipes, either estate or new, there's a lot of different places that you can go or sites online, brick and mortar stores, although there's not as many as there used to be. But anyway, there's a lot of different options and a lot of different pipes. But I've got a pipe in this case today that's different, and I thought I'd share it with you guys and where I acquired it from. So let's turn around to the workbench and take a look. I don't do yabos. I don't have anything against them. I just don't do them. But I just had to do this partial yabo, just from the standpoint. Now I bought a couple of pipes, and these came from MBSD Pipes, and I'm going to do a review on one of them, this one. But I opened it up and I go, wow, they packed this stuff nice. And after I unwrapped the one, I said, I got to stop and at least show people how well they wrap things up. These pipes will be totally safe. This had bubble wrap on it, and then it was down in a bunch of other packing material. So, man, kudos to those guys at MBSD Pipes. A great job. So, and this is about as close as you're ever going to get me to a yabo anyway. But so I got this wrapped up, and then we got another layer, and they just, I mean, stuff is not going to happen to your pipes. That's all there is to it. Got a little sock. That's nice. And we're still going. This is an estate pipe that I got from them. They do estate sales and new pipes as well. I've a lot of meerschaum. So yeah, this is a little estate pipe that I picked up from them. It's a have to put a little bit of beeswax on that. It's pretty stiff, but it's a GBD, and I just think it's just a wonderful rustication on this pipe. So that being said, let's talk about this one next. I guess everyone's already guessed that it's a meerschaum pipe, and yes, it is. But it's a little different from many other meerschaum out on the market today. Um, Besides the nice Cumberland stem, to get it out of here, you know, what else do you see about this pipe that might be a little different? Let me change my light a little bit. Well, besides the stem, it has another nice little feature, and it's this right here. That is a briar um, insert that they've got on this, and this is an item that was developed by MBSD, and it's been patented. Now, some advantages. I can now have a 9 millimeter meerschaum pipe, which is great. And but you've also created a very strong connection at this point of the mortise. The meerschaum is quite porous, and the briar is fairly porous, and so they use an adhesive that once dry creates a very strong mechanical bond. And a lot of times, meerschaum pipes, you'll see a little crack that gets started right here where the stem and the meerschaum meet. Matter of fact, let me grab a more traditional. I've got this one in my box to sell, but this is one of my um, meerschaum pipes. And so let's compare what we've got there. Now, a lot of times when I see people working or showing their meerschaum pipes, they'll just unscrew the stem from the mortise. And that's really not what you're supposed to do. And every time you unscrew the stem, you're weakening this interface between the stemel and the stem, and especially in the meerschaum. Over time, it'll loosen more. So what you're supposed to do with these pipes, and probably most of you know, is this is actually a push fit. But I've seen many ad um, showing people where they've unscrewed either the tenon or the mortise. And you can see we just don't have a whole lot of airway using this system. It's been used a lot, but it's inferior to this right here. Because like I said, you're not going to get any of those cracks. It's just going to be very, very strong. So let me give you a little background information on MBSD pipes. Now you see that it says MBSD meerschaum. I guess I hope you can read that. Yep. So they have their own line of meerschaum pipes. That's their website, MBSD Pipes. They also have a store on eBay. But they are an American-owned company, and they supply pipes to several brick and mortar stores along with online pipe stores. They do sell new and estate pipes, both in briar and meerschaum. They will actually buy, sell, and trade pipes. This is how I acquired this pipe. I actually made a trade for this one and for this GBD 9438. It's a Concord. It's quite an old pipe. And now some of their estate pipes will already be refinished or restored or repaired. This one, I purchased it as just a unrestored estate. So I'll be doing a little video on that one as well. So they do offer not only that, but they accept pipes on consignment. They have an appraisal service. They do pipe repair, pipe restoration if that's what you need. And all of their pipes, meerschaum pipes, are 100% block meerschaum. Now, if you get on their website, you'll see several pipes that don't have this briar. That's more or less their standard meerschaum. This is considered a deluxe line, and only the deluxe line has the briar insert. So, and they also consider this to be the finest meerschaum pipe on the market. I haven't smoked it yet, so I don't know. I am impressed with that right there. And I'll just, as a closing note on this part of the video, this is not a sponsored video. However, they are offering a discount to viewers of this video. So when you go on their website and make a purchase, during checkout, you'll be able to put a promo code in, and that code is Southland. And I'll, of course, put it all in the video and maybe flash something up on the screen, but Southland for the promo code. Well, that does it, I think. I guess the next thing we'll do is smoke it and judge it on that. Well, aren't y'all lucky? You're getting to see me twice in one video. So here's the pipe. And like I said, it's not as heavy as it looks. 72 grams. You can clench it. I've got a lot heavier pipes. This one does have enough bend in it that it just hangs really well. So you very well could do that. Now, in preparation of doing this video, I decided for the last week to 10 days, only smoking its Captain Black Dark. Normally, I would put a Virginia or an English in a pipe. Don't smoke a lot of aromatics. However, if you've seen my Frustrated 2 update video, it explains a lot. And I'll just say this: my taste buds for different tobacco is a moving target. So last 10 days I've been doing this, so that gives me a good profile to which I can compare to this pipe. The initial light, very pleasant. This is not a tobacco review. Of course, the tobacco having some cavendish in it's going to produce a lot of smoke, but the airway is nice and open, even though I've got a 9 millimeter filter in there. It's a well functioning pipe, a pleasant pipe to smoke, and trying to get it going. I probably should have laid the Captain Black out a little bit to dry, but I didn't. It's a little wet. I'm getting everything I'd expect to get. The pipe is very comfortable in hand. Smokes very well, very well. Um, Nothing but positive things to say about the pipe. Next time I might probably get something a little smaller, but I got it in and saw it and go, ooh, that's a big pipe. But it's a good size and it's light. It's just light. So not rating the tobacco, but the pipe, I'm gonna give it a good strong A, maybe an A plus. Um, I I don't see any obvious weaknesses on this pipe. It's a beautifully made pipe, great attention to detail. Um, very happy with the pipe. So if you get a chance, you need to uh, get online and visit those folks out at MBSD Pipes. And again, I'll throw up all the links and all that good stuff. But this is a very well made, very good meerschaum pipe. Uh, that's impressive. Thank you for sharing your time with me today and hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.